Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Salesforce flow. First, access the Flow Builder by searching for flows in Setup. Once there, click the New Flow button to initiate your automation journey. You will then select a flow type, such as a screen flow or a record-triggered flow, depending on your specific business requirement. This initial choice is crucial for setting the foundation of your process. Now, let's design your flow by adding elements to the canvas. You can drag and drop various components like Get Records, Create Records, or Decision Elements. Each element requires careful configuration, specifying which objects to interact with and what criteria to use. Remember to define variables to temporarily hold data, making your flow dynamic and adaptable to different scenarios. With your elements in place, it's time to build the flow's logic. Connect your elements with lines to establish the execution order. Introduce decision elements to create conditional paths, allowing your flow to respond differently based on specific criteria. For tasks involving multiple records, incorporate loop elements to process each item efficiently, ensuring comprehensive automation. Finally, it is time to save and activate your completed flow. Always save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. Give your flow a descriptive name and a clear description so others can easily understand its purpose. Once saved, click the Activate button to deploy your automation, making it live and ready to execute within your Salesforce organization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.